Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki, known here as the One-Handed Bandit, and today I will be doing a voiceover, and I am using the Caliente palette by artist Couture, and this is what the shades look like, and this is what the Unicard advertisement looks like. And this is what the entire collection has. It also has the Le Freak lip gloss, which I already have, so I did not purchase it. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the P. Louise base, and I'm just going to be adding that to my eyelids. And this is also in Rumor 2. So the first shade in the palette, I'm going to be using this. It's a caramel brown color called Sensual. It kind of looks pink on camera, but it is a caramel brown shade. So I'm just adding that right below my brow bone. The next shade I'll be using is right next to Sensual, and it is the shade Mamacita, which is a very deep fuchsia shade. And I'm going to be doing a halo eye, so I'm just going to be packing that color on the outer portion of my lid as well as the inner portion, and I'm going to leave the center of my eye blank. So there will be quite a bit of blending back and forth with packing Mamacita, and also I will be going back in with Sensual just to make sure that there's an even transition between the two shades and that everything is nice and evenly blended. And here's when I go back in with that Sensual shade again, just because it looks like I lost some of the pigment. So next I'm going to be taking this yellow shade, which is called Coutore, and I'm just going to be packing that on to the center of my lid, and I will go back with Mamacita again and just make sure that the colors transition very nicely between each other. Now this video is all about the Artist Couture eyeshadow palette, so I won't be showing you my face application. This is strictly about the eyes, but I will show the foundation that I will be using, and I will be showing that in a moment. And let's address the elephant in the room. I have gotten quite a bit darker due to a vacation, so my foundation shades have changed, and I picked up a drugstore foundation, and that is the NYX Born to Glow foundation, and this is in the shade Sienna. This is the final look using the Caliente palette by Artist Couture. I hope that you have enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.